Hello and welcome to our overview of Birst, Infor's state-of-the-art BI and analytics platform. Today I have just a few slides and then we're going to spend the rest of the time playing with the product. We're going to start by walking you through the creation of a BI application from connecting and transforming the data through the presentation of the dashboards, all in about 30 minutes. From there we will look at some of the possibilities when you fully build out your project. Feel free to ask questions throughout the demo, but I do want to show you the full scenario from raw data to presentation, and then we can spend some time talking about how we can apply it to your company. A little background on Birst. Birst was created by industry experts with more than 20 years of experience in BI. They were frustrated with the current complexity of the tool set and wanted to create a product with all the power of an enterprise-grade systems, but something that power users could use without years of technical training. Most important, they wanted to create it using the cloud architecture. Not just the final dashboards, but the entire stack from data prep all the way through analysis and reporting. This has many advantages. First, you don't need high-end database and BI servers, and your system automatically scales as you grow without having to reinvent in the infrastructure. There's no software to install for developers or end users. All you need is a web browser to both create and use your application. Finally, your information is available wherever you need it to be, on whatever device you choose, whether it's a desktop, a tablet, or even a smartphone. Although Birst is new to Infor, it is in use by many other large and mid-sized companies in many different industries. Now let's talk about what we are going to walk through. Birst is a very powerful and full-featured BI suite with patents pending and the ability to import and refine data from a huge variety of sources. Today we're going to focus on three of the main core modules in Birst. First, we're going to start with Pronto. Pronto is what we'll be using to bring data in from a variety of sources and then prepare it so that it all fits together in a form that's easy for our power users to consume. Next, we're going to look at Visualizer. And with Visualizer, we have the ability to both explore and analyze the data on an ad hoc basis. And we can also use Visualizer to save those graphs and charts and tables that we create and use them in our dashboards. And finally, we'll see how to build full-featured dashboards that allow your end users to view the information. It's important to point out that although they can use these to see status and the state of the company or their departments, the dashboards themselves are interactive, allowing users to filter and drill through to see the key elements that are driving our metrics. And this is where we turn information into actionable events. And quickly, before we move into the application, it's important to recognize the importance of security in today's world. Birst takes security and reliability very seriously. We have certifications in several key areas and disciplines, and we can discuss this further with you or get you whatever information you need on how security is functioning within Birst. Okay, it's time to start playing with the application.